Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Kapil Home Workouts. Today this is Sunday afternoon. My Sunday morning was lazy, so we will be doing this. We are doing this workout in afternoon, and this is a lower body workout. So in last lower body workout we did some 40 squats with 40 kg. Today the target is to enhance, increase the weight with same reps. So we will be doing 40 to 45 reps with 45 to 50 kg. Let's see. So these are total weights I have. I have this total 25 kg weight, larger dumbbell. Then this is 15 kg weight dumbbells. Then this is two 5 kg plates. So total 10 kg. I will be using backpack to increase the weight. So first I am tying this waist belt. Yeah. So do proper warm up and use flat foot shoes. When you do leg workout, you use flat foot shoes so that you are with better balance. Balance is very important. So this is total 15 kg and I will put a 5 kg plate also. So this now becomes total 20 kg weight. I have put this 20 kg weight on my shoulders. So it may be not very much balanced, I think. Okay, I am feeling bit balanced. So there are two blocks in this workout. In block 1 there are 3 exercises. We will repeat block 1 3 to 4 times. Block 1 exercises are squats, then lunges, and then a cardio workout. We will be doing devil presses for cardio. So I am putting a 30-minute timer here. Let's start today's workout. Your weight should be on your heels. Let's see how much rep we can do with 45 kg weight. I am feeling weight. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is it, guys. We did 10 squats with 45 kg weight. Now we do lunges. For lunges, last time we did lunges with 25 kg weight. Sorry, 35 kg weight. I used 5 kg plate and this 25 kg dumbbell. This time my target is to hit 35 to 40 kg weight. So now I am using 10 kg plates, and I will put those dumbbells outside. This will take time in our workout, but as so this is total 10 kg weight inside the backpack. But it's good we get time in between our heavy reps. Today we are seeking hypertrophy. So guys, reverse lunges. Keep your weight on your heels and be in good balance. Keep your core tight. Five reps on each side, total 10 reps. I am doing this with total 35 kg weight. 4, 5, 6, 7. You may increase or decrease your reps, but to 10, 8 to 12 reps are good count of reps. So this is exercise 2 of block 1. Now we do a cardio exercise, of course, that is devil press with these 15 kg dumbbells. So I am keeping this belt on to save some time. Six reps, guys. You may do 8. So it took nearly 6 minutes to complete round 1. We may not do this cardio movement but it is a good exercise to increase the time under tension, and we save ourselves from this heavy weight for some time. So now there is 10 kg weight in the back and total 40 kg weight lying on the ground. So I will put this 15 kg weight inside the back and then 25 kg on shoulder. So let's see, we can do the 50 kg squats. Last time we do 10 reps of 45 kg squats. So with 50 kg, my target would be to hit 8 reps. With these plates and these dumbbells inside, it has become, oh, this time it is feeling very heavy. This is single 25 kg weight on my backpack. This weight is leaning me in reverse direction. So when we put this dumbbell on our shoulder, it will balance this weight. So you may be doing these heavy squats in some supervision also. So somebody can save you from unforeseen circumstances. So starts. Now I am starting this squats with 50 kg. I am feeling. Six, seven, 8, 9. So we have done 2 rounds of squats. Now we do our second exercise of this round. That is our 35 kg reverse lunges. This is the main block of this workout. So it may took it may take some more time. More than half of the time may be dedicated to this workout, this block. So now we do reverse lunges. 5 reps each side with 35 kg weight. We are doing good. This is good speed with this much weight, I think. Because I am doing this 45 kg and 50 kg squats for the first time. 10 reps. Now we do our devil presses. 6 reps. Six reps. This time we do 10 squats or maybe 8 with this 50 kg weight. We are doing one set with 45 kg weight and one set with 50 kg weight. So with 50 kg weight there will be 8 reps. With 45 kg weight there will be 10 reps. So this time I will do 10 reps with 45 kg weight. So it has two plates inside it, 5 kg total weight, 10 kg. So I am putting one plate outside. There is one more plate inside it, and I am putting these total 15 kg weight dumbbells. So this is total 20 kg weight inside the backpack. We can do swings with backpack also. The idea just came to my mind. Just come to mind. So, if you want, tight your belt. Total 45 kg weight, guys. Squats. Sorry. Put these down for something. I think I have done something wrong with. Yeah. Now it's okay. Squats with 45 kg weight. 10 reps with 45 kg weight. Our swing will be like that, but it may kill this backpack. So now I will be putting these 15 kg dumbbell outside and put one more 5 kg plate inside the backpack. So this is also a kind of exercise with, so prepping for exercise. So prepping for exercise is also the part of the process, a part of the process. We should be doing that with very much efficiency. So I am looking at timer. It is almost 19 minutes now. So we will be doing only 3 rounds of this first block. So we did total 28 reps of squats, 20 reps with 45 kg weight and 8 reps for 50 kg weight. This is good for the start. This was our first time to hit 50 kg. My first time. Of course, many of you are at very advanced level of fitness. Many of you are not so much advanced like me. Here we are not showing our strength. We are improving all our weaknesses, and we are in a journey towards a better person from what we were yesterday or today. Very nice perspective. Sometimes I talk nice things. So now we do 10 reverse lunges. Your weight should be on your heel. We are honing here our technique. Yes. Six reps. I will be doing only 8 reps. So 8 reps. So I am putting this backpack away. We will be not using backpack for any more exercise. So now we do our last exercise of this block. That is our dumbbell press. table press, in among other things, is a very good core exercise. So we are done with our presses. We did total 18 reps of these through 3 rounds of first block. So this brings us to our block 2. In block 2, there are 2 exercises only. We will be doing deadlifts, then reverse lunges. Sorry, forward lunges. We have done reverse lunges already. So, have some water. We will be doing single leg deadlifts. So tight your core. Deadlift is as much as a hamstring and glute exercise as much as it is a core exercise. So tight your core. Six reps on one side. Now we hit other side. I am feeling in my right side hamstring and core. Six reps. We have hit almost 26 minutes. So now we do forward lunges. So I have done total 5 reps on one side. I have hit 1 rep on the left side also. So 4 more reps on left side. So round 1 is done. We do block 2 times. So we have done 1 time. We will be doing only 1 more times. Keep showing up, guys. Consistency is the rule. The name of game is the consistency. And as we have used heavy weights today, I am feeling the workout certainly. So now we do deadlifts. Last round of today's workout, guys. So forward lunges all on one side first. Oh, we should have done deadlifts. We will be doing deadlifts in next round. So this workout is putting its toll on me. I am forgetting the sequence. You can say that. Total 10 reps. Now I will do total 10 deadlifts with both legs. And that, guys. So this is it, guys. We have hit 30 minutes of our workout time. We will be doing tomorrow Metcon Monday, metabolic Monday it will be, as always. So there are no, I didn't run today. I will not be running tomorrow also. Then in next week I will be running Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, then Saturday and Sunday. So be consistent, keep showing up, guys. Thank you for being there. Please do subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment as well. Thank you, guys.